How to deposit crypto in KuCoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily deposit crypto in KuCoin application for beginners. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device like you normally do and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, go to the Assets tab from the bottom right corner. Inside the asset page, click on the Deposit Crypto option at the bottom, and then from the options, select the coin you want to deposit. Always select the correct coin, and on the next page, if you haven't verified your account yet, you need to complete verification first. If you already have completed it, then you can choose the correct network and copy your deposit address. Then you will be able to send your crypto from your external wallet using the correct deposit address. So that is the process on depositing your cryptocurrency in KuCoin. Once your funds arrive, you'll be ready to start trading confidently. Just make sure that you have completed your ID verification before you start depositing cryptocurrencies. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.